Hello, kids! Are you ready to learn animal names? Let's go! Watch, listen, and say the names with me. Ready? Here we go! This is a cow. Cow! The cow says moo moo. This is a dog. Dog? The dog says woof woof. This is a cat. Cat. The cat says meow meow. This is a sheep. Sheep. The sheep says baba. This is a lion. Leon. The lion says roar. This is an elephant. Elephant. The elephant says pawoo. This is a monkey. Monkey. The monkey says ooh ooh ah ah. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. The giraffe says munch munch. Can you say zebra? This is a rhino. Rhino. The rhino says snort snort. This is a hippo. Hippo. The hippo says glub glub. This is a fish. Fish. The fish says blub blub. This is a dolphin. Dolphin. The dolphin says yee. This is a whale. Whale. The whale says woo. This is an octopus. Octopus. The octopus says wiggle wiggle. Great job, kids! You learned animal names today.